Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we venture north to Scandinavia, to a land of pristine forests and vibrant cities. Sweden, lauded for its high standard of living and innovative spirit, holds many secrets beneath its serene exterior. From the historic streets of Stockholm to the natural beauty of the Northern Lights, Sweden's geography is as diverse as its culture. Rich in history, Sweden boasts a vibrant cultural heritage, with traditions like Midsummer and Lucia. Famous landmarks like the Vasa Museum and Drottningholm Palace tell tales of its storied past. Join us as we uncover fascinating facts about Sweden, a country where natural beauty meets innovation. Sweden's social welfare model is renowned worldwide. Free healthcare, education, and a robust safety net provide Swedes with an enviable quality of life. But these benefits come at a cost, with Sweden having one of the highest tax rates globally. The progressive tax system ensures that citizens contribute a significant portion of their income to the common good. This funding supports extensive social services, including elderly care and unemployment benefits. However, the high taxes also mean higher living costs, affecting housing, dining, and everyday expenses. Despite these costs, Swedes enjoy a high standard of living, with access to public parks, cultural events, and efficient public transportation. The balance between prosperity and high living costs is a constant topic in Swedish economic policy discussions, aiming to maintain the welfare model while ensuring economic sustainability. In the heart of Scandinavia, equality is woven into society. Sweden stands as a beacon of gender equality, with a remarkable parental leave policy of 480 days. This commitment to work-life balance is a cornerstone of Swedish society. Education is free and accessible to all, promoting equal opportunities from a young age. Universal healthcare ensures that everyone receives the medical attention they need. The political landscape is inclusive, with policies that support minority rights and representation. Public transportation is efficient and affordable, reducing economic disparities. Cultural attitudes emphasize community and mutual respect, fostering a society where everyone is valued. Rising from the waters of Lake Mälaren, Stockholm, Sweden's capital, shimmers like a jewel. Stockholm was the first city-crowned European green capital, a testament to its sustainability. The air is clean, the streets are alive with cyclists, and renewable energy powers much of the city. Gothenburg, another green city, is known for its electric trams and extensive green spaces. Malmö leads in urban farming and wind energy initiatives. Across Sweden, recycling rates are among the highest in the world, and eco-friendly buildings are becoming the norm. Sweden's commitment to sustainability extends to preserving its vast forests and promoting electric vehicles with widespread charging stations. Sweden, with a population smaller than many global cities, is a giant in innovation. From Spotify to IKEA to Skype, Sweden has birthed many global brands and technologies. This spirit of innovation is nurtured from a young age, fostered by a culture of curiosity and problem-solving. Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite, and Ericsson, a leader in telecommunications, are just a few examples of Sweden's contributions to science and technology. Other notable inventions include Tetra Pak, revolutionizing food packaging, Volvo's safety innovations, and the pacemaker, which has saved countless lives. Today, Sweden continues to lead in research and development, with a thriving tech startup scene and cutting-edge advancements in various fields. Fashion can be very lucrative, especially when your brand is synonymous with affordable style. In Sweden, the name Persson is synonymous with fashion and fortune, with Stefan Persson atop Sweden's wealth pyramid. H&M's fast fashion model has made the Persson family one of the world's wealthiest. Founded in 1947 by Erling Persson, H&M started as a single women's clothing store in Västerås, Sweden. Today, H&M operates in over 70 countries, making it a global fashion powerhouse. The company has also made strides in sustainability, with initiatives like the H&M Conscious Collection and garment recycling programs. H&M's collaborations with high-end designers have democratized fashion, bringing luxury styles to the masses. Embracing e-commerce, H&M continues to innovate, offering a seamless shopping experience both online and offline. In the 1970s, Norway proposed a deal that would have given Sweden a share of their oil riches in exchange for partial ownership of Volvo. Sweden declined, choosing its own course. In hindsight, that decision cost them dearly, as the deal would be worth $85 billion today. Volvo, founded in 1927, has always been a pioneer in automotive safety. They introduced the three-point seatbelt in 1959, a revolutionary innovation. This invention alone is estimated to have saved over 1 million lives. Volvo's commitment to safety and quality has earned it a global reputation. Today, Volvo continues to lead with innovations like autonomous driving and electric vehicles. The story of Volvo is one of resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of safety. The Nobel Prize, a prestigious award, symbolizes academic, scientific, and literary achievement. In 2017, the Swedish Academy, responsible for the Literature Prize, was engulfed in scandal. Allegations of sexual assault led to the suspension of the prize, tarnishing the institution's reputation. This wasn't the first controversy. In 1964, Jean-Paul Sartre declined the Literature Prize, criticizing its establishment. The Peace Prize has also faced scrutiny, with some questioning the selection of certain laureates. These controversies have sparked debates about the selection process and the integrity of the Nobel Prize. Despite these challenges, the Nobel Prize remains a symbol of excellence and continues to inspire global admiration. The image of Scandinavians as fun-loving revelers might need revising, at least in Sweden. This Nordic nation takes alcohol seriously, with strict regulations governing its consumption. Strong alcohol is sold through state-run stores, reflecting Sweden's public health commitment. Swedes often prefer socializing over coffee, known as fika, rather than alcohol. Public health initiatives focus on reducing alcohol-related harm, promoting moderation and awareness. During festivals and celebrations, responsible drinking is encouraged, with many choosing lighter beverages. Education programs target youth, emphasizing the risks of excessive drinking and fostering a culture of responsibility. Deep in the heart of Lapland, a whimsical rivalry unfolds each holiday season. Both Sweden and Finland claim to be Santa's true home, each with elaborate Santa Claus villages. The debate over Santa's residence adds festive fun to the relationship between these Nordic neighbors. In Sweden, Santa Claus, known as jultomten, plays a central role in Christmas celebrations. Rooted in folklore, the tomte is a mythical creature believed to protect homes and farms, often depicted as a small bearded man. Modern-day celebrations include a festive Christmas Eve dinner, singing carols, and exchanging gifts, with jultomten delivering presents to children. Christmas markets are a beloved tradition, offering handmade crafts, festive foods, and a warm, communal atmosphere. The cultural significance of Santa Claus in Sweden blends ancient folklore with contemporary festivities, creating a magical holiday experience for all. What began as a small mail-order business in rural Sweden has become a global phenomenon. IKEA, the brainchild of Ingvar Kamprad, is more than just a furniture retailer, it's a cultural icon. IKEA's success lies in tapping into the desires of a global middle class, offering stylish, functional furniture at affordable prices. The flat-pack business model revolutionized the furniture industry, allowing IKEA to expand its global reach with over 400 stores in 52 countries. Its influence on home furnishing and design is profound, blending Scandinavian simplicity with modern needs. IKEA also leads in sustainability, promoting eco-friendly products and practices. Leave it to the Swedes to combine their love of the outdoors with their commitment to environmental stewardship. Plogging, a fitness trend from Sweden, involves jogging while collecting litter. This eco-conscious workout has become a global phenomenon, proving small actions can have a big impact. Sweden's fitness culture also includes popular sports like football, ice hockey, and cross-country skiing. Outdoor activities such as hiking, kayaking, and cycling are integral to Swedish life. The connection between fitness and environmental consciousness is evident in community fitness events and group workouts. Fitness influencers and apps in Sweden often promote eco-friendly activities, encouraging a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. The Swedish meatball, a culinary icon, is not actually Swedish. The recipe came to Sweden from Turkey in the 18th century, thanks to King Charles XII. He brought it back to his homeland, where it was embraced and adapted, becoming a staple of Swedish cuisine. Traditional recipes often include a mix of pork and beef, combined with breadcrumbs soaked in milk and seasoned with allspice and white pepper. Today, there are many variations, including vegetarian and vegan options. They are traditionally served with lingonberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and pickled cucumbers. Globally, Swedish meatballs gained immense popularity, especially through IKEA, making them a beloved dish around the world. Sweden has long been a pioneer in human rights. In 1979, Sweden outlawed all forms of physical punishment of children. This landmark legislation, known as the anti-spanking law, was the first of its kind in the world. Since then, Sweden has introduced numerous policies to protect children's welfare, including comprehensive child protection services and support for families. These measures have significantly reduced child abuse cases and improved overall child well-being. Sweden's approach has been adopted by over 30 countries, showcasing its enduring legacy in children's rights. From Eurovision to global airwaves, ABBA's music has left an undeniable mark on the world. This Swedish quartet became a global phenomenon in the 70s. With over 500 million records sold, ABBA is Sweden's most successful musical export. But the story doesn't end with ABBA. Roxette, another iconic Swedish band, dominated the charts in the late 80s and early 90s. In recent years, Avicii revolutionized electronic dance music, influencing countless artists worldwide. And let's not forget Spotify, the Swedish streaming service that has changed how we listen to music globally. Swedish House Mafia brought house music to the mainstream, making waves in the electronic music scene. Pop sensation Zara Larsson continues to make her mark with chart-topping hits. And behind the scenes, producer Max Martin has crafted hits for some of the biggest names in music. Sweden's contributions to music are vast and varied, cementing its place on the global stage. In automotive safety, one Swedish invention stands as a testament to ingenuity. The three-point seatbelt, introduced in 1959 by Niels Bohlin, revolutionized car safety. Bohlin, an engineer at Volvo, designed the seatbelt to secure both the upper and lower body, significantly reducing injuries and crashes. Initially met with skepticism, the seatbelt quickly proved its worth through rigorous testing and real-world use. Sweden played a crucial role in promoting automotive safety, making seatbelts mandatory in all new cars by 1967. This simple yet effective design is credited with saving millions of lives worldwide, cementing Sweden's legacy in automotive safety innovation. As we bid farewell to the land of the midnight sun, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for Sweden. From its progressive social policies to its innovative spirit, Sweden offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Throughout this video, we've explored Sweden's rich history, stunning landscapes, and innovative contributions to the world. We've delved into its cultural traditions, culinary delights, and the concept of lagom that defines the Swedish way of life. Sweden's commitment to sustainability and environmental consciousness sets it apart as a global leader. Its education system and emphasis on equality and innovation continue to inspire. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the unique qualities of Sweden.